Today, we are going to discuss how to remove and replace the old style flow switch assembly with the new updated flow switch on the RTX 5000 and RTX 5500 sprayers. This new style flow switch includes the pressure switch, so the old pressure switch will be removed from the sprayer. The tools that are required to do this repair are a 3/8 inch socket, a 10 millimeter socket, a 3/8 inch drive ratchet, a medium blade flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, wire clippers, and a stubby number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Optionally, you can use a cordless drill with a 3/8 inch socket adapter and a 3/8 inch socket to remove the shroud bolts. Start by ensuring the power switch is in the off position. Then make sure to unplug the sprayer. Remove the material hopper from the unit by unscrewing the hopper from the pump outlet and lifting up to remove. Remove the front shroud. Unscrew the attachment knob, then lift out and away from the sprayer to remove. Using a 3/8 inch socket, remove the 5 bolts fastening the rear shroud to the unit. Squeeze the bottom of the rear shroud to remove from the sprayer. Remove the wheel on the control panel side of the sprayer by using a flathead screwdriver to remove the clip holding the wheel in place. Place the wheel under the sprayer to support the machine while you work. Cut the zip tie holding the old flow switch to the frame inside the sprayer. Remove the screws holding the pressure switch in place using a short Phillips screwdriver. Unhook the flow switch and pressure switch from the air and electrical systems. Remove the old flow switch and pressure switch from the unit and discard them. They will not be used. Take the new flow switch assembly and line it up with the holes in the frame. Thread the 10 millimeter bolts through the frame and into the new flow switch. Tighten the bolts using a 10 millimeter socket to 25 to 30 inch-pounds. Hook up the new flow switch and pressure switch to the electrical system. Hook up the new flow switch to the air system. Use the provided tube to replace the front tube. The provided tube is slightly longer and will be required to connect the new flow switch. Neatly zip tie the wiring and tuck it into the sprayer, away from where the rear shroud might pinch it. Reassemble the rear shroud onto the unit. Be sure that the bottom tab is seated correctly in the frame. Replace the front shroud. Test the sprayer. Open the gun air valve completely. Then, plug it into an electrical outlet and turn the power switch on. Trigger the gun for a few seconds and then release the trigger. The sprayer should run and then shut off several seconds after releasing the trigger. Upon a successful test, reattach the hopper to the sprayer. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials like this one, subscribe to the Graco Garage YouTube channel or visit one of the links listed here.